Hello everybody, let's take a break from watching that Netflix show, which is kind of annoying but still addictive, and let's make my family's favorite spaghetti recipe. In my family, we do spaghetti like big time. We do spaghetti big time, and we love our spaghetti. And this is like Dominican style spaghetti, because we don't do the pouring the sauce over the spaghetti. No, that's not Dominican spaghetti. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and see how easy it is to make some yummy Dominican style spaghetti. Mom. So we're gonna start with our ingredients, and I am going to use some cilantro. This is a little trick of how you can store your cilantro. I keep it in a cup with water, and you can fill up the cup throughout the week. Fill it up with water, and then I put a plastic bag over it, and that really helps conserve your cilantro. And then you're gonna stick it inside the fridge. There it goes. There's my cilantro wrapped up. I'm gonna get out the heavy whipping cream. This is our secret ingredient. This is gonna make our spaghetti sauce like the bombs. And yeah, we're gonna make like our own spaghetti sauce, by the way. Like I said, this is Dominican style. So here I have, for my ingredients, I have garlic and a white onion. I used this size for the onion, and then I used the garlic. I just used about 3 cloves of garlic, like 3 big cloves, and it's chopped up, and it's what you see here. Now we are going to chop up our cilantro, baby. And just like give it a nice little rough chop. If you guys don't like cilantro, you guys can use anything else. You guys can use basil, you guys can use parsley, because I've read there's some people that have like a genetic problem where cilantro tastes like soap. So you guys can adapt this to your liking. So there I have the cilantro, the onion, the garlic chopped up, and let's move on to the next step. Here in a pot I have my boiling water, and I've added in a little bit of vegetable oil, and that keeps the spaghetti from sticking. And we're also going to add our spaghetti. We have spaghetti over here. We gotta have a pound of spaghetti, and it's like the Walmart brand. I think this is gonna taste great, in my opinion. The thing that makes this special is gonna be our sauce, and for that we're gonna need tomato paste. What's wrong with this autofocus, by the way? God, I feel like the lens has like astigmatism. That's that thing where you see blurry. If anybody knows how to adjust this lens on here, like let me like manually do this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is our spaghetti in the boiling water. I hope you guys know how to boil pasta. I do not cut up my pasta noodles. I just throw them in there because I do not like broken up spaghetti noodles. And we're gonna boil this for 10 minutes, 10 to 11 minutes. We want our pasta to be al dente. So let's put the timer on, and let's go on to our sauce. So the sauce is gonna be in this pot. And we are gonna turn on our pot, and we're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. Pour this in the pot. And we're gonna let that heat up. And I also wanna grab my condiments for this, and it's actually gonna be the bouillon cube. This is our caldo de pollo, like chicken bouillon cube, and we are going to use one for this recipe. By the way, I did not want to put this recipe on YouTube because that's how good it is. It was kind of like my little secret. But these are tough times, you guys, and tough times means divulging your secrets and showing people that I can actually cook like really good food, and maybe that will win over some subscribers, because I'm not gonna do something crazy like eat a bunch of what is it, like 100 jalapenos. Like literally I would die, so that's not gonna happen. The other thing that we're gonna use is the sazon goya. I bet you guys have seen me use this a lot. This is supposed to have achiote, which is like these little seeds that give color to food. I think it's more about, like, for me it's more like the color, not necessarily the flavor. And then it also has cilantro, but I'm adding fresh cilantro anyways. So for me it's usually just to add color. So I'm gonna add one of these packets and then one chicken bouillon cube to our sauce. So let's make this sauce, guys. We're gonna make our sauce. Okay, so we have our pot here with the olive oil, and then to this pan we're gonna add our onion and garlic and cilantro. Okay, so I'm gonna add first off, I'm gonna add the onion and the garlic. I kind of like to add the cilantro later. Use my little spoon here and stir it up. I'm also going to... ¿Qué pasó? Estoy haciendo mi video, mami. I'm also gonna stir at my pasta. And we still have, the timer says 5 minutes left. So I'm gonna stir at it. ¿Qué pasó con señor, mami?
¿Ya puedo hablar?
Sí.
¿Tú conociste a Javierito?
¿Qué?
¿Conociste a Javierito?
No, ¿quién es esa persona?
El Javierito es un hijo de una hermana de Marcia, hijo de Bruna.
No.
¿Es un bebé que lo criaron Marcia, ¿ah? Yo lo vi cuando chiquito, pero después que creció. Se murió, dije. Él estaba en Nueva York y hicieron un trasplante de riñón. Por ahí de la sirena. Entonces, hoy me llama Cristina y me dice que Javierito se murió. Para que tú veas.
¿Te gusta el plan?
Y que una trombosis le dio, porque le dolía mucho el brazo. Para que tú veas que qué ricos somos nosotros con la vida.
¿Pero qué fue lo que le dio?
Una trombosis. Y que le dolía mucho el brazo.
Okay, now we're gonna go back to our recipe here. We're gonna add our cilantro. We are going to add in the bouillon cube. And give this like a quick stir, guys. This really is full of so much flavor from the garlic and the onion, and this beats putting, you know, any sauce from a jar. When you can make your own fresh sauce, it's gonna be yummy and delicious. So I lowered the heat on this, and I'm gonna add the color at the same time that I add the heavy whipping cream. So I'm gonna check up on the pasta. Our timer says we have, let me see, we have a few seconds left. Few seconds left on the timer. And I'm gonna taste it. And it's perfectly al dente. So not too soft, not too hard. I'm gonna drain the pasta. My veggies here. Getting married with the tomato paste. There's something unique about tomato paste. It's thicker than tomato sauce. In my opinion, it's got more flavor. I'm gonna give this a quick shake. This is again the heavy whipping cream. And you can use any brand of your liking. I'm gonna add that, and that's gonna stir it around so it integrates well with our tomato paste and our garlic and onion and our cilantro and the chicken bouillon cubes that we put in here. And now we are going to also add in our sazon goya. And shake that around. So once this starts to thicken and slowly become our sauce, you have to keep stirring it, by the way, the whole time. Stir it and make sure it all becomes this deliciously smooth sauce. You're also going to want to taste it for your salt preference. Usually I don't really add salt. So let's taste this. Let us taste this. Let's taste the spaghetti sauce that we made. So I'm going to try a little bit on a spoon. My opinion, it needs like a little bit of salt, not too much. So I am going to sprinkle some salt because we're going to add also our pasta, and I want the level of salt when I add the pasta. I want it to be a good amount. So I just sprinkled in a little bit of salt in here. This is the pasta that we cooked, and it's ready. Girls, I'm gonna stir this and integrate the sauce with our pasta. You want to make sure all your noodles are coated with this sauce because it's heavenly. It's amazingly good. Niñas, Amelie, Zoe. Stir it up. And my kids are gonna basically devour this pot of spaghetti. I want you to try the spaghetti and tell me what you think of it.
Okay.
You gotta tell my viewers what you think of this recipe. And be like completely honest. Like you don't have to lie because I'm your mom.
Okay.
So you're gonna be honest?
I already tried spaghetti before.
And do you like it? Is it like the best spaghetti ever?
Yeah. Of course.
Okay. Tell Emily to come too.
Ollie! Mom needs to tell you something.
Okay, we are done. Our spaghetti is ready. This is our critic of the day. Zoe, what do you think of Mommy's spaghetti? Obviously, you can eat first. You can chew your food. Oh my goodness. This is our other critic, but she doesn't want to be seen. That's okay, Mommy. I won't film you. I won't film you.
It is great.
Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, from like 1 to 10, how yummy is it?
10.
Okay, so you guys, you're gonna make this recipe and feel free to sprinkle like your favorite Parmesan on top. So you heard it from the harshest critics ever. They love this stuff. And I bet your family will too. See you guys later.
Of course.